catch up. Overlay, catch up, please. Overlay, come on. Yeah. Hi, Tom Marks talks code. Why is my overlay dead? Literally. Yeah, right. But for some reason, it died. My overlay died again. I mean, again, my internet died a few times. So the overlay as well. Okay, should be now fine. Yeah, it works. Yeah, should all work now. Hopefully. Without interruptions. So yeah, right now we are game jamming. And well, instead of doing actual work, I decided to create a program that's gonna do art for me, which can actually go as its own submission. So there is a short story behind it. For my last game, I decided to draw a player character not as a robot for the first time in the history. Well, actually, the second time, but as a person, as a human. It turned out not that bad actually, but I noticed that I was following like I was doing a lot of like it was so algorithmic. I was well, almost following the algorithm and not doing like something creative. So I decided that I'm it. So I could try making a program do this for me. And so what we have right now is Lowrider. You got a chance to use this mode, Nigel. Finally. So yeah, what we got right now is we have a pose here. Then we have this skin map, and then we have the skin, and we can generate the image like that from it. So this image is kind of weird. Exactly. So this pose is kind of weird because there's no right hand. Well, actually, it's left hand. So let me do a better pose. Where's the sprite? A sprite. Pose and player. Wait, no, not this. Hold on, this one actually. Wait, where? Excuse me? Why is it in cage the countdown? In cage the countdown? That's definitely off. Okay, so let's get a pose to show off. So here's, for example, a standing pose, a standing person. And the art was not meant to be automated. So here it is, a standing person with a bracelet on the right hand. Because that's a story. This is hopefully, if I actually get to making a game, this is gonna be like a part of a story. Why can't I open anything? Here's skin. Here is the skin. Like this is the head. This is the body. This is the right arm, which has a bracelet on it, painted. The mapping is gonna be dynamic. So this Python script just converts the poses to something like this, but this is gonna be out of UV, basically UV coordinates, and then the skins. So the textures are gonna be generated dynamically on the fly in the game itself. But for now, for debugging, we are just drawing this. Hope it's clear enough. Wait. Okay, so actually, the origin of this idea is also from a YouTube video, probably not about, not the one that you're talking about. So there is the game Astortion. a solo game developer on YouTube created it in Unity, then remade it in Rust. Well, remaking it, and this like so he invented a very interesting way of animating stuff, of animating pixel art. So he also unwraps the UVs and then draws. Well, if we just fast forward somewhere, where is it most presentable? So I've used this before. Yes,
Slightly different.
here. So here's an animation which consists of UVs, and then there is a texture, and you map the texture onto the animation and use it as a result. The point of this is that you can modify the texture dynamically. So for example, if we go to my latest game, um, I actually kinda used, well, no, I didn't use it in my latest game. If we go to, uh, I don't remember how I called it. So one of my games actually uses it. Oh, I can't talk. This one. So there is a robot. I'm not gonna play it right now. But this, by the way, this was made in Zik. So this robot, and almost all my games have robots, is actually the UV map. So it has some animations if we drown. It also has an animation with eyes. And yeah, the screen is a separate texture. Oh, I forgot that we can't jump in this game. Um, so if we get to okay, let me spoil a little bit of it. So there are cards in this game, and as you can see, the texture changed a little bit, and the animations, all the animations still apply to this texture. This is basically what is implemented in Astortion, and so I did the human character. I drew poses for it, and then I drew the character itself. So I decided to automate creation of a character. We're gonna try to combine those two techniques, and actually, if we take a look at the game jam we're doing, which is OLC Code Jam 2024, the team is run. If we can get this to Mixamo level, so you know what Mixamo is. It's a website where you can upload your own 3D model and it's gonna add animations to it, like running, jumping. We can like upload this script itself as a project in here, because this is a code jam, this is not just a game jam. You can upload tooling to it officially. So yeah, if we can't make a game, we can at least upload this. At least if it's gonna work relatively good. And yeah, if we actually open the skin, there are some problems with the mapping right now. So to demonstrate it, if we do stripes, it's gonna look terrible. Why did I say stripes? Strips. And also, why am I running it like that? Okay, so if we take a look at the image, so it looks fine here because it's just top to bottom. But if we take a pose, so for example, this frame or this frame actually, inverse kinematic rigging without any trigonometry functions. Ooh, there are multiple frames. I mean, I guess you can do inverse kinematics without trigonometry. What's wrong? Oh wait, I saved this pose. Now. Now you can see that it's very bad. Here the two lines are merged. Here it's this pixel is actually just random. Whatever this is, spacing is too big, etc. I mean, this is really hard to actually implement. So it looks great. especially the like if you have those lines, simple like K. Actually, can do this. We can take a look at it. Obviously, it's complex topic. Uh, uh, yeah, circles. I mean, yeah. I think like there is a YouTuber called Griefpatch who does Scratch tutorials. I think he used something similar when he did inverse kinematics. But I mean, circles. Like if you just add one line here, it's gonna become a triangle, and then you add another line, which is perpendicular, and it becomes two triangles. So it becomes trigonometry. Oh, x squared. What is x? X is a pointer or is a vector? Hold on, x is a vector. Why? Okay, sure. X minus p. Ooh. X minus p is what? No, I want to see math. Yeah, we can get some equations, do some math with it. First bit of information. So you're basically this is going kind of towards trigonometry. You can see the triangle in the 90-degree angle here. Going into solutions. Yeah. Um, I mean, yes, then it just goes a lot of math. Substitute, get something. Some more math. Okay, I guess it's just math. And the code. Okay, what it involves? Dot product, multiplication, division, etc. Well, not even okay, no, there is division. Um, Ooh, this reminds me of like intersection functions. Like I tried to do ray tracing at some point. Um, and so much intersection functions they have like return something negative infinity infinity epsilon. Just a vibe. But I mean, yeah, this doesn't use trigonometry and one square root. Um, ooh, hold on. Yeah, they removed. Oh wait, signal no solution. Oh, just. I mean, dot product multiplication, subtraction, multiplication, max. This is just floating point math. Then we have square root. This is pretty good, actually. I mean, optimizing inverse kinematics. I don't know how much do you really need here. Like, you're probably not gonna have 1,000 legs of a creature computed every frame. And it's probably not gonna run on a microcontroller either. But the fact that someone actually takes a more geometrical approach, like not using trigonometry, is cool. Yeah, anyway, I don't know if we can really fix much in this situation. Partially, like, the generation here, like, so we have, instead of handling edge cases properly, we have some hacks. So we hack some lines. Can't really explain it right now. And so this is just a hack. All you should know about this is it hacked together crazy, like crazy, and it only works because this color is consistent. It's not much texture. There's not much texture to it. Can't talk again. Okay, so yeah, we can try some more poses, but I think we need to. We probably should automate it a little bit, so it goes through multiple frames. Can I actually save this like as, I mean, ideally I would do an sprite file or something. I don't know. So normally I use texture atlases actually. I can do an atlas for this one. So I can export as, wait no, export sprite sheet. Oh, we need to convert, yeah, we need to do colors. So how it works now? I can it's look bad. I can actually now show how it works. This is 11 pixels, right? Wait, it's 10 pixels. Hold on. 1 pixel is missing. Stop this. So how it actually works is each part of the skeleton is colored with a different color, and there is also origin point where the this part of the body starts. So for example, this one. Yeah, we could do multiples. Okay, so this is an arm. The color of the arm is exactly 255 02550, and the color of this thing is 64 units darker. So this one, you can see at the bottom here. If I hover over it, 01920. Well, 255 is not a power of 2, but we can't fit 256 in a byte, so yeah, this is just my way of encoding it. So then we have this one, for example. This is again, wait, can I? Oh, you can see actually here. So this is 00255, and then this is 00192. This one is 00128, so 127 darker, and this one is 0064, so also like 64 units darker. So yeah. Now we can. So when I was drawing the character originally, and those are poses from the original character from this game, slide, kick, etc. So when I was drawing the character, I was drawing it with poses. Actually, it's a long message. Serial creatures. Moving to Godot. Trying to go for making a 3D version. Your own spline setup. Support for that. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, that's interesting. Actually, for my last game, go to here. I tried Godot for this game, and I mean I've used Godot for quite a bit, but not to make games, not especially for game jams. And I mean I did use 2D, which it also has kind of something. So if we look at this pipe, this is also a texture, which by the way has so this fills up with the shader. So this is also Godot's built-in. As I said, I used a shader to modify it, and yes, there were some rough points with it. So I mean, it is pretty flexible. I don't know, changing the size. I think it's actually outside of the scope of such things. Okay, anyway, we need to color this thing in. Color the guy in. Oh, it's the wrong color. Then so this can actually be black. For me, black means no color. So black does not do anything. It just gets ignored. So, for example, I don't know how to say it in English, actually. So basically, the bones that I don't care about, I draw in black, or I cannot draw them at all. Okay, so if I do this, then I do this. Next, here, two legs. Okay, so those are. Okay, first of all, this. Okay, origin. Origin. Then blue for legs. Those for hands. Okay, darker blue. Okay, now we can try this. We can try this pose and see what happens. Onto the size variation, because it seems like the simplest way to replicate how the body is. Oh, the version. Oh, I think I actually know what YouTube video you're talking about. I watched it recently. Yeah. But I mean, they've used if we're talking about the same video, they've used circles. Did it work? Good question. See, if we're talking about the same video, I think they used like circles and tried to smooth them. Okay, so how's this? My script, yeah, as I said, good question if it worked. I mean, the head is so far to this side. But I mean, that's how the body is. Like you can see how humans are, how curved we are now. That's what we get for looking at our phones too much. Yeah. So I really need to add quotes. So yeah. I mean, this part is a little too thick, but overall, I think it's actually pretty good. Actually, I wonder how it looks like if we open posture. I mean, I can, but you can't even see my posture. My posture is normally very wrong, partially because I'm sitting right below the flower, and if I straighten up, I hit the flower with my head. Yeah, but I mean, at least I get a workout. Which in this room there is not much space for it to do them. His circles, yeah, along the outer edges, which, yeah, so you can just do, so you have a normal, and you can do a perpendicular line, and point on each side, you just join it. For 3D, actually, I have no idea how you can do this. Okay, so this actually looks very good. This goes like up, which is probably it's not something I would do to be honest, but um, it is like it looks very good to me. I mean, maybe this part is a little too thick, but I mean that's how it works. So those ones are just diagonals. I mean diagonals. So this is diagonal 4 pixels. Maybe diagonals should be like divided by 1.4, so we have 4 pixels, but since it goes diagonally, I should divide it by 1.4, or wait, yeah, divided by 1.4, and it's gonna round to 3 pixels and resample. Maybe. I don't know. Let's actually see how it will look. Let's try to implement this. So here should be relatively simple. Relatively. So the check for diagonal is this. Can copy that. So there's a row. Now, if we are, first of all, if no, okay, let me copy this if basically. Yeah, I did copy it. So if we are doing a diagonal line, by diagonal line I mean is varying size of the shape strings. I'm still not sure how to implement it. I mean, I didn't use game engines much. So yeah, by diagonals I mean this. So we have straights, which are basically extrusions like that, and then we have diagonals. So this is considered a diagonal segment, and then we have straights. So this one straight again, yeah. So we can try shrinking the diagonal because since it goes diagonally, we can divide it by 1.4, divide its length by 1.4 because, I mean, one step one step to the right and one step up is not one step diagonally, it's 1.4 steps diagonally actually, so square root of 2 actually. Okay, so we can a row. We can just resample row here. So we can divide this by the square root of 2 QRT. Do we just do this? Or do we hard code the number? Yes, QRT 1.4142. I actually know this pretty good. And we'll leave square root. And then new length. Then we need to resample the row. Ads are playing. I'm actually not sure how to resample it properly. We lack any sampling, actually, to be honest. So row, what is row? The blob is just so the blob is a list of tuples, right? Yeah, it's list of tuples, so list of coordinates. For I in range int okay, actually round this round. I wonder why round is imported when, like, wonder when there is round, not math round, but round, but there is no floor nor sail. Why? This is just weird to me. Okay, so in range new lens, we're gonna do row. So we're gonna do the same sampling we did here, basically. Paste this here. Add is done. Nice. Okay, so we divided by the new lens. And yeah, I want rounding, that's why I'm dividing first. And multiplied by length of row to resample. Okay, yeah, basically resample this. Now, what's gonna happen? Last row I. Oh no, this is so bad. This is actually so bad. Well, actually, I mean, it is relatively easy to fix. So I just remap I as well. So the scale I around this. Okay, so we divided by the size of the current row and multiplied by the length of last row. Now, okay, now what? How does it look? What do you think? I think this is too narrow now. I mean, like, yeah, we are kinda used to this being wider, and yeah, we lose texture details because of this. Oh, also so it shrinks, but it doesn't recenter, which is also bad. It doesn't really change the or does actually no wait, maybe it does. It does maybe it does center. So where we do offset. Yeah, it does center properly. But I don't like it. Maybe we should do something like not divided by 1.4, but instead something like 1.2, because I don't know. Okay, don't save. Let's see. Still don't like it. Probably close the post at this point. Maybe 1.1. I really want the hand back. Okay, the hand is now fat as well again. Okay, so nothing changed again. I don't know which one is better. Like, I really like the legs on this one, but I don't like the hand because hand has much more texture to it, and it is narrower. Maybe we'd put like a limit, hard code more stuff, and len row is greater than 3, for example. Since I feel so bad for this. It's not on a setting, but yeah, I think this is the way. Well, now it's. I mean, this is also always too narrow. Okay, I guess let's save. Let's open the player and let's do more poses and then make it interpret yeah, human bends even more. Just imagine this is your body and then this is your neck going basically to the right, and then this is your head going straight up. This is so me. This is so similar to how I look. So actually the pose comes from yeah. I mean, I am doing this for pixel art. Um, that's why it's called um, Pixamo. Yeah, it's hard. Pixel art is hard because it has not much details, and humans learn to use tricks for this. So the most of those poses actually come from if we go to my cheat sheet, pixel art tutorials. If we do like run, so yeah, kind of similar to what I have, but different. This is much better. As you can see, the head actually goes that much forward in here. And there's also walk. Uh, Yeah, here's walk. There's also jump. There's a lot of cool pixel art tutorials. Link that. Okay, so let's color this stuff in. This dude in. Let's color it. Let's color him or her. Don't even know yet. Don't really know yet. Okay. Should this be? I think this helps straighten it up a little. At the same time, then it's literally a bend. So maybe I should do this actually. On this one, I actually did this. Okay, a leg. Wait, legs, arms. Why am I saying legs when those are arms? Um, okay. Jiggle. I mean, Pixamo is just a script. You can draw any. Oh, you can draw any pose, and it's gonna generate your sprites. It was not meant to be invoked dynamically. I mean, this is like ideally you would draw it yourself because this is art. Computers are bad at art except AI. Like AI is like at this point AI is kind of good at art. And why? Why does this leg go here like this? Why does this leg start from here? This is so weird. I mean, ideally, I would separate it into layers and put a starting point actually here, and then it goes like this, but no. Um, okay, let's do more. And this is, by the way, what size is this? So this one is, I mean, should be 11 pixels. This is 10, right? This one is also 10. So this one is 11. This one is obviously 11. I checked before. This one should be 11 pixels. And, oh, this one actually should be, yeah, I did straighten it up a little bit because rotations are hard. Okay. Basically like that. Now we start with this, then do this. Oh, yeah, intersections. We just talked about them. Yeah, skipping one pixel, cheating or not. Arms. Legs. Okay. This one. This and this. Okay. Next we have this. Let's copy the head again. Okay, we've got a few more frames to do. The machine learning animation where they could get the agent to move around according to text. No, I haven't. But I saw one video about procedural animation. I don't remember what I don't remember anything really about it. But so they were mentioning like LERP curves and stuff. And then they had a pixel art shader. So this video was actually, yeah, I liked it really. 10 pixels. So here I just moved it. Here I guess I also moved it. Okay, so this is 11. This, then this. Then we have arms. Just in case I do legs. Oh, I didn't even do legs in here. Just in case I make legs green, please warn me. I may do this accidentally. Okay, now this. Oh, this one also doesn't have a hand. I mean left hand, not just hand. It has one hand. It was 3D. I mean, I watch way too much YouTube and no, I didn't watch this. Okay. Okay, this one. Origin point. This. Then legs. Oh wait, wrong. No. Origin here, and the leg itself. Posture check. Okay, no, this also I guess 10 pixels. Should be 11. Oh wait, this is 11 pixels. Huh, interesting. Yeah, origin. Origin. Fill in. Oh, okay, here. Train like 5 sound motion capture animation. I mean, I don't watch much AI videos nowadays. So I probably didn't see this. Yep. Okay, so we have a run cycle. Now, I mean, we can also do jumps, but okay, hold on. We'll closely add this. Yeah, there's also this head bump, which I mean, this is actually right, but original version had it very weird. If we take a look at, okay, I'm not gonna load it again, but if we take a look at the animation here, at the run animation, we can see the head like turn, which was weird. This time it should probably not happen because the head rotation is at least different on this one. Okay, so let's now let's think how we can actually run it for multiple frames. Ideally, I would run it on the A-sprite file and get the A-sprite file back. And then import A-sprite file into my project, but that's no. That's no. That's just not gonna happen. So on the other end, in terms of human-made animation, near automata, managed to find the player animations. In terms of raw frame count, 2 billion 2B had like 1,000, wait, 180,000 frames. Oh, time to make another emote out of this. Welcome in Smooth Dagger. So yeah, we're game jamming right now. Just to show what we're working on. For my last game jam, I drew a player. I drew a human player. So most of my games have a robot as the main character. This one had a human. which is surprising. And I noticed that when I was drawing it, I was almost following the algorithm. And so I decided to make a program that's gonna take the skeleton. Here is the skeleton, for example, and let me actually take it, put it into the pose. Here's the skeleton, and then it's gonna take also the skin and the map of the skin, and then it's gonna generate this, the output image. And that's what we're working on right now. So yeah, also you didn't see, did you see the controllable plushes? I think you didn't. I think that's what you're interested in. Awesome. Can we export this as a sprite sheet? See, I'm probably gonna do this as a sprite sheet. Packed. Okay, this is packed, to packed. Constraints none. Wait, why can't I export it? Huh? Wait, preview. Open sprite sheet. What? Haven't been watching machine learning videos. Control nets. To attack in machine learning called control. What's control net? I mean, what I'm doing is not involving machine learning. It's actually just an algorithm. For stable fear. Ooh. So with for example, YOLO V8, you can extract the pose. So ControlNet can just generate the image with the set pose, I guess. Yeah, I mean, what I am doing is actually something that AI would be great for, but no. In this case, I don't want AI and one of the reasons being I want to generate not the texture, but the UV coordinates. So I want to not apply skin immediately, but instead apply skin when I'm actually running the game, so I can modify the skin during the game. Okay, so this thing, let's export it somewhere. Let's export it as formats as a pose.png. Override, sure. Now let's right now this is not really supported. Oh wait, this is not VS Code. I can't control P. Pose. Okay, so here can I do a generator here? I can actually do a generator here. Origin. Okay, so commit before too late push. Okay, let's go through each. Let's go through each of the origins. For origin in origins, I can do this, and instead of returning, I can yield it. I think that's how generators work. And then here I can do a for line in the generator. Okay, I think this is it. Oh wait, Python. Oh, it worked. Did it work? Oh, it worked. That's cool. Okay, so we did multiple frames now. So simple, so easy. So it just recognizes multiple things.
Okay, let's go.
Well, this is not really multiple frames, but good enough for sprite sheets. And let's then rename this process frame to process image. Process image. Pose. Or poses. I guess pose enough. Good enough. Okay, so let's finish up this set. Or maybe we can start working on the game actually. Let's first commit. So quick. This was such a minor change. Multiple, actually, sprite sheets. Push. Yeah. If you want to see this here, here's the repository. Just in case you are wondering, you can use it for any project. Any project you want or anything. Okay, so we have multiple poses. Now maybe actually get maybe actually do try doing well try doing maybe actually start doing the game. Well, ideally I would actually make it into a CLI tool or something. So let's probably do that. Let's oh, actually ask time. Why ask? Oh wait. Oh, you're timed out. I know that. Don't try to make me redo an overlay again. The poll results didn't change, I guess. I mean, as I said, I might not listen to the poll. Sorry. Show results. Yeah, obviously it didn't change. Yeah, you can change them completely. Or or no, you can't change them at all. Yeah, I guess closing the poll, because I mean, it's time to actually do the game. No, as I said, I might not listen to the poll. I'm not sure. I kind of want to do Rust, and I know that if I do Godot, for example, I will. Also, if I do Godot or Bevy or C++ with a game engine, which I don't know. No, not Raylib, not SFML, not Normova. None of those are game engines. So if I do Godot or Bevy or a game engine, there is one in C++, then it's gonna be much easier to do particles, for example, and stuff. But I don't know. It really doesn't. Like from what I saw on the last game jam, which I tried Godot, it really doesn't improve much. It really doesn't speed me up much. And actually, we do need to do some CLI here because, as I said, I don't want to be exporting those images. I want to be exporting a UV map. So Python CLI library, like CLI framework. Click. Let's click. Is it gonna click? C++ why? What? Oh, it's a collection. It's a curated list. Click. So everyone recommends click apparently. I guess click is also in the Nix packages. In this. Add click here. Let's actually now exit the IDEA. Open the directory. Do and get me not here. Where is it? Tools, graphics, pixamon. Okay, so here to mix the envelope, just to make it build the derivation so it's faster, and then we're gonna run this command. Let me just. We're gonna run this. Yes. Okay. So this should be relatively quick. I don't want to run this in terminal, so I don't have a terminal somewhere. Okay, now we should have access to click this time. CCH is still running. Quit. I don't care. Okay, so now we should have click and Python interpreter. I don't know if it's still this one. Which Python? I think it's a different one actually. Let's see. Parameters, settings. I feel like I didn't copy the thing. Hold on. Copy. Settings. Tools. Build execution deployment. Python. Wait, no debugger. Build tools. Where's the Python interpreter? How do I set the Python interpreter? Search everywhere. Python interpreter. Show Python interpreter. Here, settings Python interpreter. This one, I wanna change it. Okay, yeah, so this one only has pillow. Now let me add another interpreter, which is an existing. No, which one? Just existing VENV. It's not VENV, but doesn't really matter. Oops, I can still bit. So existing this. Okay, and now I want to remove this one. How do I remove it? There's a redesigned packaging support in Python packages tool window. Huh? Okay, how do I remove one? How do I manage interpreters? Show all. Oh, that's better. Oh, can I actually just change it here? Oh, I can just change it here. Well, so I can remove this one. Apply. Okay. Now, still on the pillow, huh? Because that's wrong. Show all. The path is wrong, I can see it. It starts with a G here and it starts with an N here. If I try to paste the right path, apply. Okay, it applied, I guess. But it's still the wrong interpreter, huh? Show all. Okay, let me remove this one completely. And then add a new one. Existing, show me this. At least I will see when when it's successful. Okay, now loading. Still pillow. Wait, it's still this. Hold on. No, that's wrong. That's actually wrong. Excel. This is no. This is not a symlink. So, huh? Python interpreter. Advanced settings tools. Where is the Python interpreter? Python interpreter. Oh, it's project. Okay. Show all. Remove. Apply. Okay. Okay. Now I removed it. I can only create a new interpreter. Pasting this path makes me go here. This directory starts with N. I can select the Python version. Okay. Now this has click. Now that's better. add is done, and we just figured out the interpreter. Indexing, etc. Now, how do we use click? Command, option, and hello. Okay, so click command, option. Okay, so let's copy paste this and go on from there. So we're gonna oh, the system clipboard is not shared. Oh, that's fancy. Okay. Let's go down here, paste this in. So let's make a click command, generate optionals. Any option, anything optional? Why not arc parse? Oh wait, arc parse is a built-in thing. No. Arc parse Python. Oh wait, arc parse is a built-in one, or is it? Let's see. Python arc parse. It is built-in. Okay, I'm not gonna add a separate thing if there's a built-in parser. Yeah. So since there is a built-in one, no, redo everything again. Yep. Now let's open flag.mix. Remove click. I actually think that our parse fits better in here. I reopen the IDE. Okay, now we don't need click. We can just do arc parse, and I do need to edit the settings one more time. Come on, low add. Which Python. Yeah, back to G something. I mean, I can keep it actually, because I don't really care. Okay, import arg parse. Since this is a built-in module, I didn't actually know that. Okay. Then we have parser. Let's just copy paste this in, literally. Actually like that. Wait, like that. Paste. Yep. Remove that, and then remove that, all of that. Okay, now if name is main, I don't know what this means actually. To be honest, to black lines, I don't care. Add those lines for me. And the warning for some reason didn't go away. Oh, here it did. Okay, program. Pick some more description. What the program does. Can you open readme? Can you pull this from readme, please? Where is the readme? Readme. Ink. Fn main in a bin, making it different from a lib. Oh, well, makes sense. Now can I join that? Okay, now. Yeah, I wish. Now I want it to be written in Rust, but it is in Python. I don't care. Uh, text at the bottom of the help. I don't care. Epilogue. Why? Add argument. Positional argument. Pulse a file. Wait, I do need to. Option that takes a value. Action store true. Oh, that's fancy. Okay, now args parse. Then we'll have pulse file. Where's everything that's loaded? Okay, so me gets this all, takes this all out. Process image pools. Let's also pass in skin map, image skin, which is image or none. We'll worry about this later. So, pools file. Okay. I'll paste this here. So we'll have pools files, and we'll have a skin map file. Open args pools file. Hold on. Okay, I don't know why, but for some reason the window capture in the be right back screen breaks constantly. Anyway, we're back to work. Args skin map file, and then we'll also have skin, or will not. Well, actually, skin can just be pixels, so we can't really specify the type. Two blank lines. Okay. Well, let me write here args. Just gonna be skin s or skin. Okay, let's, I guess, play a game. Why am I doing this? You will keep track of 10 minutes. Now, considering that you redeemed it, should I really trust you on this? Well, I guess yeah. Okay. It's 5:53, about 10 minutes. It's gonna be 6 or 3, 03, whatever. Loading wasm. Kikuman at least has a loading screen. Ow. What is the sounds? Wow, and full screen works. Okay, so this is a speedrun game. This is interesting. Come on. Okay, this is actually cool. Getting over it. Okay, this will take me hours. I guess I need to go here, I don't know. Why is there like... this is so loud. I don't know if sound gets quieter for me. Oh, it is very loud. Oh wait, and this is full screen. So this covers my overlay. I guess we'll have to play it like that. Scrolling. Come on. 1 minute. Only mouse only controls. Come on. Wait, can I? Hey, that's unfair. No, I won't see the chat. This one. How am I supposed to get up there? I guess I need to count. Okay, but this is actually kind of a fun game. Oh no. No! Why? What happens if I grow inside? What happens if I... what happens if I want to get over it? Okay. The level design doesn't let me break the game. No. That's unfair. I actually wanna know. What happens if I want to... Oh! Okay, I can't do it. Okay. Oh, the door opened again. I hate this door, I can't close it. From the inside. Okay, I'm actually playing getting over it. I see. No. This is literally getting over it. Why am I playing this? Or only up, I don't know. Kinda similar. No, it's getting over it. It is exactly getting over it. No. Okay, I guess the game ends here because next 10 minutes I'm gonna spend on this thing. So, I mean, we can keep track of the time here. How am I supposed to get up when I'm bad at getting over it? It is hard, too hard for me. May you ask human to make an easier game for the next time, please? I guess it's supposed to be hard. Hijacks is not changing anything. Oh, my volume is not changing anything. Okay, let me. How do I change the volume? I guess with this extension. Okay, let me make my volume. So how do I make it quieter? No difference. I see no difference. No difference for me as well. I can mute it, but I don't want to. Okay, actually, what I can do, I can set this to 50% and set this to 50% as well. or something. Good enough. Ah, no. Better now. At least it's better now. Okay, can we get to the second one? Please, please, no! No! This is too hard for me. Jax, you wanna know something? You wanna know what we're doing here? uh, Playing a game because Nerdsel redeemed. Oh wait, Nerdsel. Sorry, Nigel redeemed one. I just... Come on. I'm stuck. Why is it so bouncy? It's a metal ball, it was not supposed to be bouncy. Finally. Okay, this game is so hard. No. No, 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 no. What am I doing here? The game is not in the gem. GMTK is sending me the message that I haven't submitted. But you know, I'm not participating, sorry. But it's so kind to worry about people who forgot to submit or something. You can jump so high sometimes. This mechanic. No! Why? Too hard. I'm not a getting over it person. Come on, slow down. Get hard time understanding low level stuff. Any advice? I don't even know what to say. I mean, low level stuff is a lot of different stuff. What? Ooh, this turn dissertation was so cool. This speedrun time is 1 minute. How many levels are here? Hopefully this is the last one, right? Because else, I don't know. How he got one. That's not my game. That's Qman's game. And we're playing it because Nigel redeemed it. Okay, now I see why the Freedom nerfed this redeem so much. Hey, come on, come on, come on, please. Ooh. No, no, no. Okay. Am I gonna make this jump? Haven't cleared. Haven't cleared the second level. Please, make this jump. No, no. Okay, at least I'm getting hang of it, at least. At least. A little bit. Or am I? What is this ball? Like, actually. What material is it? No. Come on. What's my progress? My progress on what? On the game? I mean, on this game or on my game? I actually like the art of this game. um, Quite a bit. Come on. On my game, no progress on the game. We just made the tool to draw art, to draw a player character, which can also actually go as a game geometry on itself. Let me just finish this game. Now, how am I gonna? How can I just end it without finishing? Are there more levels? No. I really underestimate how far I can jump here. I mean, how high up. Here's dot product for the sound. What do you mean? Dot product for the sound. He's still setting up stack and cable because you didn't even vote for. Okay, actually you did, but we're not talking about this. Please, no, no. Okay, I'm only going down. No, I was so close, or at least I think so. Can I actually cheat in here? I feel like I can jump high enough to get up on this platform. No, I don't. And I spent well over 10 minutes here. No. Okay, enough of that. Read chat. What? I've read chat. I wonder actually why this doesn't work. Outbreak is coming. You're learning Rust. Ooh, great. I actually wonder why read chat didn't work. Okay, so enough of that for me. Control R to restart. Use the scaling power to jump, move mid-air, and beat the game. Is this all? In this game you play the ball with scaling power. Okay, why is read chat not working?
Can you read chat, please?
Oh, it is working, it's just so quiet. Now get back to the sound. So Jax, you don't know, but what we were working on is a program. So it takes poses and then also it takes a skin and a skin map, and then it generates this actual frames of an animation. So we were doing some arcs. Skin, arc skin. Okay. Is it actually called skin? Name or flags? What? Uh, okay, so looks like rigging. It kinda is. Okay, suppose a skin map and then skin. If args skin is not none, else none. Like that. Okay, now the skin should be optional. Skin pixel. Okay, so here we're gonna do color equals skin pixel if a skin is not none, else we're gonna do just color for now, but we're gonna do UVs actually. So here I'm gonna do color, wait, pixel color, um, pixel color, pixel color, and here also pixel color. Anywhere I missed it? Okay, now clear Python src/mainpy usage. Okay, pixelmo -h -s key -h or -help skin the skin pose file. Okay, so we're providing pose png and skin map png. And then yeah, we didn't fix this. I knew there are more pixel color. Oh wait, this is not pixel color. Okay, let me of pixel. So the pixel is yeah, it's pixel. Let's make this a function. Is this def pixel color of pixel, which is IVEC. It returns color, and it returns if there is skin. Let's convert this not to ternary. If skin is not none, then we return skins thingy. Else return color showing those lines, because why not? Nope. Let's not join those lines, I guess. Okay, now it generated the image with colors, and then I do -s skin png, and it generates it without. Okay, good. It does lack any kind of documentation, but who cares? Doesn't really matter, I guess. Okay, so for pixels, RGBs are actually pretty important. Like pixels, pixel coordinates. For pixel coordinates, RGBs are actually very important. So wait, what am I saying? So pixel coordinate precision is actually very important. So we're gonna encode it as 1 pixel per 1 color channel value. A single like one. Okay, you'll see, I guess. So here pixel color, else here instead of returning color, we're gonna return pixel, but not just pixel. We're gonna. Can I do? Is it JavaScript? Nope. Uh, Python extend tuple. And yes, this won't work with pixels more than 256 wide. Wide. Doesn't matter. Well, actually, we can do 24 pixels, which is 12 pixels for each. That's a good idea. Okay, so we're gonna pack those. Well, that's. Oh, you can add stuff to the tuples. Yeah, I forgot. Okay, so let's just add 0 to 55, and you'll see what I mean. If we don't provide the scheme, now it's gonna generate what looks like black images. But if we, okay, if I do a tuple of channel times 10 for channel in pixel, just for demonstration purposes, yeah, that's what we're gonna get. UV coordinates that we can just map. Oh, isn't this awesome? We should probably get this multiple. Okay, what's wrong? Expect tuple of int, got tuple of int instead. Don't care about this. Okay, for now we'll just leave this, and I guess git add, git commit shm cli, git push. Now, suggest you some stuff to learn. Rust. I guess, yeah, Rust. I don't know what else. Well, depends on what you want to learn. Okay, so now we can actually go and do the game itself. Already learning some other. You want a programming language? Zig, C3. Python. Okay. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, we can actually get to the to doing game. I said Rust, Zig, C3, and Python. Python. I mean, you probably know Python. You're learning Rust. Zig and C3, two new languages. Well, new, not really new. Zig is a programming language. Here it is. I actually tried it for one of my game jams. Pretty nice, pretty interesting, but very low level. It's like you need to write a lot of code in it. Like a lot. Casts in it are a lot of work, but the code you write is gonna be the most optimal. But you're gonna write a lot of it. It's gonna be a lot of code. Then C3 is another programming language. Programming language. Soding actually reviewed it. Something that's popular. Zig is popular. C3, well, it is not popular. Zig is popular. I mean, depends on what you want to learn, I guess. Yeah, it is not popular. I said that, but it is cool. Okay, so In the domain of C++, you didn't even mention C and C++. Zvig and C3 are low-level languages, actually. But do you actually want to learn a language, a new language? Because I don't know if you do. Zvig is kind of cool with its functionality. So like it's first class. No, it's not. Is it? I think it's not. Garbage collected. Okay, so what I wanted to do here, I wanted to run a pool. So I kind of want to do Rust as opposed to whatever you voted. Um, so what would we use for this game jam? Rust might not listen again. Listen again, yeah. Um, really, gang, baby. Actually, really plus. I wanna do LDTK. My code then obviously. Uh, baby plus LDTK or tiled with built-in interpreter. What else is here? Macro quad. I don't know. I think. Oh, Speedy 2D. An awesome library. Machine learning. That's not low level. That's the opposite of low level. Okay, hold on. No, it's not. Machine learning is not low level. Change my mind. Yeah, only if you're building your own library where you need to handle SIMD and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, okay. Uh, why do I have a chat here? It makes me chat. Okay, so what did I want to do? Oh yeah, speedy 2D plus CG codegen. Anything else we want to add here? There's actually pixels. Let me look it up. Good programming. Something interesting. Yeah, it is something interesting. Um, rates. Not PLs. Pixels. Yay! This is cool. Plus, obviously, LDTK my codegen. Um. I started it. I don't know. I don't even know how long it's gonna last for. That's seems like quite a bit. Yeah, you have a lot of options. I might not listen to them. Uh, okay. While we're waiting for you to vote, I guess I can play some basketball. And you can too, because plushes are controllable. Come on. Going strong actually. I am doing it algorithmically. Okay, come on, go in, go in. I'm not gonna get to 7, or am I? Come on, please. Get to 8, please. No! Why pixels? I mean, I might actually listen to this, because I kind of want to try pixels again. But yeah, while it's going, I can do more. And you can do too. Simple frame buffer. You like simple frame buffers. Well, yeah, actually, too simple. Come on. At the same time, it's a frame buffer. What? Why did it fly up? Suggest your project to make in Rust? I don't even know what to suggest you in this case. Bedcope, fly into the garbage. Actually, a good one, I think. A great idea. Garbage collector in Rust. Garbage collector 2 was my okay. Давнение. Um. Okay, 9. Yay. So yeah, garbage collector is a good one. Uh, you're joking. I mean, I think it can be a good one. How do you even start it? Um, so you have a memory map. So you have a thing called RC. It's not a garbage collector. It's RC. It's different. Reference counted, and you can create like a function. So you'll have, I guess you'll have like a poll, or no, yeah, I guess a poll. Let me think. So you'll have. Oh, good question actually. So I guess you're gonna create your own. No, it's kind of, but it's different. It's way different. RC is reference counting, but garbage collector analyzes the graph, so circular references get collected with garbage collector, but RCs don't. Um, so yeah, starting with RC, I guess you would. You just hit a flower. Um, okay, so I guess you would start with invited you to your funeral. What is this? So yeah, I guess you would start by making a custom um, smart pointer and doing pointers and stuff on Safe Rust. Yeah, nice. You can also do a vector in Rust, but no, I am against it. This one, I mean parsing, I don't know. It's kind of hard. Do a project of choice. Okay, so poll is over. Poll ended, and yeah, those results. The results. Why does it have to be a pop-up? Why does it have to be a pop-up? Obviously, one vote by Nigel. How am I? How do I engage with such audience? Okay, let's actually look at pixels. So I'm gonna discard it for a reason. To do apps that loads and saves to a text file. I think it's too easy. Actually, what can be great is make a web server, or actually go Rust book. I'd say Rust by example book. Which one does we can all that? Which one does Rust a web server? Final project. Okay, here, final project book, beta book, chapter here. This is just open this, follow this, and okay. So The Rust programming language. This is a book. So getting started, it's gonna walk you through installing, walk you through some stuff, functions, and then you get projects. An IO project, building a command line program, writing tests and stuff. Then you have function language features and matter, smart pointers, fearless concurrency. Make a text editor actually. I mean, it is too hard. It is too hard and not about it's not about the language. Here, final project building a multi-threaded web server. This project actually makes you use a lot of language features. Um, so a text editor won't make you use much language features, but instead will make you do a lot of. So instead, it's gonna make you just implement a lot of complex stuff. Yeah. Minimal recruit. Tiny scale we need. It's actually yeah that from sorting. We actually use this editor. Invaders minimal GUI. Okay, let's see invaders. Simple invaders. WinRS. Okay, so I am gonna discard this library for a reason now. First of all, where's the main function? Here it is. Debug, or else. Okay, so you get pixels, you get a frame buffer. Drawing. Game world draw. Okay, so I abstracted this for some reason, but fine, I guess. Where's draw? Where's draw? um, where's draw? um, G game world. Um, okay, what is the game world? Wait, dot game dot world. Um, the game, I guess. World is a world. Where is defined the world? Where is the world defined? Um, oh, it's imported from simple invade. Why is it? Why is the code here? Why is it a library? Where is the drawing? Bleed, bleed, bleed. Okay, that's too much work. Discard. I just can't say this. But this is actually like not a game jam variant. Give me. Okay, I'm not gonna open this again. Okay, then we have gang. Now I'm gonna discard gang. Oh, freedom is life. Okay, now I'm gonna discard gang for a very sad reason. Its flake weights more than I have free disk space right now, and it takes like you need to download an Android emulator just to use gang on NixOS. What how? It's actually pretty good. Um, then I'm gonna discard Bevy, ECS, and then speak to the array lib. You choose. Okay, enough. Um, actually, we can do game. Because I actually wanted to make a game with it, but I didn't. Uh, the problem with it is actually it is huge, and by huge I mean I have to download an Android emulator. Let's try to get the flake first working. Um, What am I doing here? My pull requests are still not merged. Come on, Kiwi man. How can I use a game engine that has 5 pull requests from me and none of them are merged? Well, actually, there is. Um, just use your fork. I mean, I don't really need this. I mean, there is a pull request I made that got merged. This, for example, because remember. So actual reason why I don't want to use Gang is Android emulator. I feel like it was fixed at some point. Okay, let's see. Nix develop. Wait. Nix shell GitHub gang um engine gang uh okay, Nix develops. And is this how I do this? Oh yeah, and using Gang's flake is hard because I have no idea how to do it. For the last flake, it's using Gang, right? Wait, last flake. Last game Cuman made is using flake, right? And it should have a flake, right? Pinned casting, skill climbing. Okay, so there is a flake.nix, and it had Gang. Okay, at least that's good. Oh wow, no, that's good. That's better. Uh, yeah, I know. This is what I just played. So it has a flake.nix which I can borrow without Cuman knowing. Okay, let's see if this evaluates quickly enough. Or is it gonna download an Android emulator? Cargo package. 719 packages. Why? Four gigabytes of space. Excuse me, I'm not getting this flake. I don't have enough disk space. I'm having 5 gigabytes available. No. Why is it like, why I can't disable it? Yeah, why? Oh, never mind. It uses, cargo gang. Cargo gang. Okay, so this thing, unused. Okay, make shell evaluate modules. I'm still not good enough in Nix to understand this monstrosity. Environment packages. Packages for system. What is packages for? How do I see the packages? Oh, packages for, here it is. Overlays, Rust overlay config. Oh, that's it. Crane. Flake. Oh, wow, this is so complex. I don't understand half of it. Actually, even more than half. Packages, shell module, environment.packages. Self lib make environment final config. Why is it so complex? I just want to see if Android emulator is actually used. Okay, here packages. For each system, let src in Default equals build package of crane. Default equals crane package. Dev shells. Um, Target Linux enabled false. You don't understand any of it. But why? 4 gigabytes of space, this is so big. Why does it have to use 4 gigabytes of disk space? Or am I doing it wrong? Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Store GC. Okay, let me actually try copy this. Okay. Dev games. I have no idea why catch the countdown. Why did it catch the countdown? This is literally I did cargo new. Why is it catch the countdown? Why is this game just chasing me? Cargo new garbage collector 3. No specific like null pointer revenge or something in here. Flake fake flake.nix. Okay, now what is here? Can I remove half of it? Probably no. Packages stable, packages stable, butler, packages just. Why do you need just here? NixOS unstable. Okay, I'm not getting packages stable. Nix systems. Why do I need this? Um, Rust overlay, I guess. Here's a just files. Why? Now, what is in his just files? What is it? What is here? Where is just file? Run. Cargo run. Enable edit. What is that? What is enable editor? Oh, that's. Oh my god. That's an argument to use a level edit. Oh wow. No. Uh, web. Okay. Let me just modify the flake. Let packages force system inherit packages overlays rust overlay config allow on free Android. Why? Why? Greatest decay, what are you doing here? Um why is the format just okay, don't care. Okay, we cut out some of this. Inherit system. Why do we need systems? For each system? Uh, why? Why? Okay, let's bring back systems. I guess. Oh, ads are playing. Uh, Systems. Okay, fine. I'll add systems here. Now, Nix. Hold on, let me just. First of all, I need to actually move this here because I was not going to catch the countdown again. Nix develop. Hold on. Nix develop. ZSH. Please don't build the Android emulator. What's wrong? Unused variable or undefined variable. Packages table. Gangling make shell packages nothing. Target web enable true. Yep. Formatter. Mix packages FMT. What is that? So inputs, outputs. Packages for is system import Nix packages inherit system overlays config allow unfree. For each system F Nix packages again attributes import system. Okay, don't really understand this part. For each system, I mean, I kinda do, but why not flake utils? Flake utilities are just so simple. They're much better. But I guess we're gonna do it the regular way. Or actually, um, what project does which project has a flake? I mean, Pixamo has a flake, obviously. Okay, so we can take a flake from here. Oh, I completely forgot here to add an output. That's so dumb. Making paste dash o output now let me see. However, doesn't work like it should. Wow, where's my cursor? It's really lagging. Give me the hint. Oh wow. Welcome in fixed function. Oh wow, everything lags. Oh, that's because the Nix build. Oh, yeah, we're building Nix. So I actually can do. Oh, this thing is slow. Core of normal sliding working. Hooray. Mess, more mess. They actually do the J1 properly. Can't see behind the flashes. Let me see. Yeah, I did the J1, so now it shouldn't take as much CPU. But yeah, this much flashes are lagging on themselves. And then imagine the Primogen. Okay, no. But actually, like, I think I have like 10 right now. If anyone rates with like 30 viewers, my overlay is just gonna straight up crash. And I mean, I can cap it, but I still kind of want. I mean, so you have one raider. That's not much, but still, I want you to feel as good as a person with a 900 raiders. Okay, so if you don't know, today we were working on this thing. This program generates from this image and those two images. Come on, load. And those and this image and this image. So of the names of all people who just joined. Getting those names. First of all, it's probably not gonna work. And second of all, flashes of text. Oh, that's a bad idea. But yeah, from those three images, we're generating this image. Oh, hold on, let me actually use the skin so you can see how it looks. I mean, come on. I mean this image. Okay. That's what we were doing today. And I forgot about output. Args output. If args output is not none else image png. Okay, this time name or flags action no, it's not a normal map, it's a UV map. So I'm not actually gonna use those sprites, but instead I'm gonna remove the skin. I'm gonna use those sprites, and they're pitch black. They're not actually. So this pixel, for example, is like 0, 0, this one is 0, 1, etc. Uh, the one you saw before is just over-exaggerated view of this one. So if I make this one brighter, which I don't know if I can do in... so basically those are UVs. UVs into the skin texture. Uh, I did it so I can modify the skin texture at runtime during the game. That's basically the point. Okay, so yeah, we need to add output again. No, I'm gonna add the skin. With skin removed, it's this. Yeah, this is normally art, but instead, for some reason, this is. Um, for some reason, I decided to make it a program. And what is this emote? Oh, it's. Oh, yeah, it's this Minecraft emote. I wonder if I still have it. If I just have it. The Minecraft anniversary mode. Anyway, it works with 2D things. The 2.5D game in future using it. I mean, with normal maps uh, on 2D sprites, making them look like 3D can be very interesting actually. I mean, I can have normal textures. By normal textures, I mean normal as a normal map. But what would you consider normal here? Where do I get them from? Dash O, it push. I don't care about docs right now. Sorry, anyone who wants to use this thing. Pick some. Actually, a great project to be honest. And is this thing awaiting lock? Oh, it's not gonna release a lock because uh, yeah, I mean I understand what you mean by that, and I actually, oh yeah, I did. Yeah, you just baked them from Blender. I know what a normal map is. Hopefully, I will actually catch you live. Um, let's GC. Maybe this fixes the problem. Come on. Past 10 hours. Oh, that's a lot. Yes, that's a lot. Just got it working at the end. Uh, for me, the stream is kinda too small to just end there because we got this thing to work. Well, got it to work is well, got it to work. Can I say that really? So we are getting to an actual game. And I don't understand why next store GC takes so much time. So yeah, we I guess decided to make the game in Rust with game library, uh, graphics library. Well, it's a game engine, but really it's a graphics library. Not in the middle of something in mind. Yeah. Better to end not at midnight because it can happen. I did like a few months back, at about May, I could easily end at 2 a.m. my time, and this wasn't really pleasant. Okay, now please work. Waiting for log. Come on. One quick easy thing to do. I mean, we need to do a game for game jam. Um, okay, so infinite waiting for lock. Nix waiting for a lock. What? Oh, just say one. What? Slept at 11 p.m. So it's fake sleep on 1 hour. Not often said, hey, it's hey. Oh, that's actually a good hint. And wait, what? Wait, what? Huh? Is this one a stable? Did we just build the flake? No way. No way. Okay, did we just build the flake so quickly? What? When it's sleep when you can do more work, right? True. Especially at the game jam. Yeah, I guess we did. I guess we got it. Okay, quick Kate edit because we're not really doing anything. Okay, gang, human comp. Why there is a domain for cast but no domain for gang? Why? Okay, see examples. Sotrum, GitHub. Come on, examples. Give me a blank. Um, the one without fixed update, I guess. Give me like the template. By the way, is there a cargo gang? I think there should be a cargo gang just from me installing it from a flake. There is! Ooh, that's cool. And I think I'm getting too quick. Um, okay, give me a hello world. Okay. Cargo gang run. Is it gonna... Oh. Use of undeclared type, RGBA. This is where? This is in main. Oh wait, I didn't do cargo add gang. Makes sense, right? Yeah, we'll need to build the crate as well. How is cargo gang run different from cargo run? Really? I mean, I know that you can do WASM, then it's different, then it's cool. But normal run, I don't know. Okay, building 473 crates. Normal, completely normal. Amount for rust. And we're building. It doesn't even lag as much. Shouldn't have said that. Okay. So, yeah. Today we actually should I change the stream title? I mean, we're probably gonna end relatively soon, so no, not really, not yet. By the way, 2 raids today. That's quite a bit. Compiling stuff. Come on. Yeah, actually, while it's compiling, we can. I don't know if my computer is gonna handle it. But we can play some basketball. It's like that. Hey. Oh, yeah, it's can't really handle it. You can also play it, by the way. Controllable plushes are still here. Why Ghosty plushie is just so heavy. I don't know why. It's the single one that's heavy. And yes, this is crazy slow. John Carroll, come on. Okay, it is also kind of heavy. Come on, come on, come on, get me. Those were some challenging ones, at least because of lag. Programmer Jeff's actually here. Come on. Okay, that one is also very heavy. Or I guess this is legs. This is because of legs. I mean, Ghosty is normally generally heavy. Wow. This was harder than I thought it would be. I guess because Rust is building in the background and it's not a good idea to play games at this point at this time at the same time. Uh, yeah, you can play well, while it builds. Yeah, those are heavy. Look at how heavy they are. Oh, I got it. I don't know which one is the one you plushed. Clicks don't work? Huh? What? Okay, hold on, I'll restart it for you. Uh, I'm gonna restart the redeem, by the way. I thought this redeem is never gonna get redeemed. um, oh wait, what? Okay, it's loading. Hold on, it's loading. Still loading. Now, get this. Okay, now clicks work, right? Yeah, clicks work now. Who can get more? You or me? Um. Oh, gang build. But yeah, we're having a competition, I guess. Cheating. Okay. Just to not cheat, I'm gonna uh get it out. Okay. I can feel that Rust has done building. I can literally feel it. uh, come on, Conky, Conky. Or is it the right way to pronounce him? Pretty good actually. No. Uh, no, that's my score. I kind of want to do it like 2 baskets. One of them is you and one of them is me. Okay, wanna do a rematch? You can do another one. Um, I'm not gonna mess you up. Mess up your score. Okay, gang built. Gang works. No. I mean, you redeemed it. And gang works. One more thing I want to do is run it in WASM. How? Though I don't know. Help platform. You're working on serious things. Parser combinators are not serious. They're a joke. But yeah, we're building. I just want to test it on WASM. I wonder if it's gonna run an integrated server. This would be so cool. I just want to make sure that it works in WASM. I wonder if you can hear the sounds from outside. I mean, probably you can, too loud. But I can't work with closed window. Because I'm gonna die, I'm gonna suffocate. Burp? What is this? This function. Do you want to do a rematch for Nigel? Yeah, by the way, it's building. I can actually do some scoring. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Manjaro. Do what? Score some plushes into the basket. Do a basketball game. Why is it so uncontrollable? This is like so slow. Okay, now I am actually getting it. I'm actually getting good at it. I mean, Nigel got some. Um, Never seems to drag. You don't drag, you click first of all, and second of all, it only works if you actually do the plushie. So if you actually type bank plushie, then it's gonna be your plushie, and then you're gonna be able to control it. The alt. Full guide, ask Nigel. Oh, it didn't compile. Oh, come on. The error in the library, no. I don't want to be dealing with that. You can't drag. It moves to where you click. Exactly. You can't drag. Okay, who's gonna listen to me? I mean, I guess latency. As I said, Smooth Dagger is actually working on an extension for Twitch, on a new one. So you can so with this extension there will hopefully be also right click and dragging, and it's gonna get much cooler then. So with right click you can like add force, for example, I don't know, or get a weapon for your plushie. Spoiler alert. Okay, why is it not compiling? Why is this not compiling? Let me see features, all features, huh? Okay, now actually, why is this not compiling? Okay, if we visit the latest game, QB Mang, skill climbing tree main. What is cargo tonal? I guess this is a problem in my cargo tonal. Dependency 30, gang git, gang igui. What? Gang got igui support? Oh, that's cool. I'm probably not gonna use it, but that's cool. Merged but not published yet. Okay, I'm just gonna yank all of this, including 30. Okay, no, actually no, I'm gonna remove the 30. And we'll have to recompile it. Okay, cargo run, cargo game run, just run. Well, actually, no. Let's do web immediately because we know it just works. I just want to make sure that we won't have problems with WASM again because too many problems with WASM. I got too many of them over the course of those years of game dev. And yeah, it is building, it is getting downloading and thus doing stuff. That means Mario, wow. And it actually was on my cursor. I like the plushes that are long. Like when they are long, they can flex and they are much lighter also. So they are easy to work with. As opposed to those rectangle plushes which are crazy heavy and slow. No, come on, come on, come on, come on. Maybe this design is also kind of heavy. Okay, this is too far and too lagging. I can't get it. See, this is the rectangular heavy one. Okay, if it goes here, then I can just come on. It is so hard. I can't get it in. It is too heavy. See, I can't get it high enough, even with all my knowledge of the game. Ooh. Camel and Cinema 4D, which is interesting. Oh, okay, that's too slow. Ow, you're gonna break my neck. Stop. Stop it. Okay, Cinema 4D, maybe you can get high enough. Oh, it's too laggy. I can't score anything with such lags. Ed has started. Okay. Ed is playing. We are building, but we're pretty close to getting done. Emath. And a little bit more. I even added again IGUI to this thing. Okay, finish dev profile. Server is running, which is awesome. Where I can open it. Oh, and it automatically opens. And there is loading screen, which is cool. And yay, it works. Let's just wait for Ed to end.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. I think we're gonna be ending here because I kind of want to eat. And yeah, I guess we're continuing with it. Gonna get those images. I have no idea how I'm gonna render it. Maybe with a shader. Maybe like uh, okay, finally you're at least a little bit happy because I was pretty much rejecting all your decisions. Um, so yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna use shader to draw the sprite with UVs or if we're gonna software render it. I don't know this yet. With Godot I used shader, but with that Vig I used software rendering. Any ideas on this? Something like, come on. He's not even gonna react if I read him. And indeed he is. TypeScript WebSocket multiplayer game. But I guess you were it sodding. You want me to rate Soding? 1 subscriber. And the subscriber doesn't even visit the streams. He will react in the first 10 minutes. Okay, I guess we're reading. Wow, T2 is also live, which is interesting. A lot of channels are live, but yeah, I guess you want me to read Soding 4 times in last 30 days. Come on, we need to get something new. But I mean, Freedom is like 8 times in last 30 days. Yeah, thank you, Nigel, for joining. Fifth Function, Jax. Thanks, everyone. And we're hopefully gonna be live tomorrow at about the same time. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Oh, by the way, every time I stream, there's a secret YouTube segment that only YouTube can see. Anyway, bye. And goodbye, YouTube. Actually, it's a secret segment.